Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Ranjan. Welcome to the fast track revision of current affairs. Today topic which we will cover today is summits and conferences of last 3 months, September, October, November 2020. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel right now. You can press the bell icon to get all the previous uploaded videos, and also you will get the upcoming videos. So without wasting time, let's start the lecture. So let's first of all we'll cover about the summits and conferences which held in the year November 2020. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, Vice President is to chair the 19th meeting of SCO Council of Heads of Government on November 30. Narendra Modi chaired the 33rd Pragati Interaction. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank addressed a virtual national conference on empowering through zero शून्य से सशक्तिकरण. Italy will chair the presidency of the G20 Summit 2021. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attends the 15th G20 Summit. Narendra Modi inaugurated Bangalore Tech Summit 2020. Narendra Modi inaugurated Reinvest 2020 on 26th November. 15th G20 Summit held in November. Narendra Modi addressed the 12th BRICS Summit 2020 on 17th November 2020. India-Luxembourg Virtual Summit held. Narendra Modi will inaugurate Bangalore Tech Summit 2020 on 19th November 2020. Already the November is gone, so this was based on the previous time, so we will consider accordingly. 8th BRICS Science, Technology and Innovation Ministerial Meeting unanimously adopted BRICS STI Declaration 2020. India-Italy Virtual Summit 2020. Next is Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will chair the Virtual Global Investor Roundtable VGIR on 5th November 2020. 8th meeting of the India-UAE High-Level Joint Task Force on Investments held. वैश्विक भारतीय वैज्ञानिक, that is Vaibhav Summit concluded in the month November 2020. Let's move to the next part. Let's check it out. The summits held in October 2020. Sri Santosh Gangwar addressed the BRICS Ministerial Summit. The 12th BRICS Summit was held successfully on 17th November. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan chairs the 5th special session of the WHO Executive Board. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the RAISE Summit 2020. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the Vaibhav Summit 2020, already discussed. First ever India-Russia webinar on use of natural gas organized. So if it is asked, India-Russia webinar was inaugurated recently. It was based for what purpose? So it was based for natural gas, right? Let's move to the next part. Let's go with the September part. Summits which concluded in September. The Cycling Federation of India CFI will host the first ever cycling summit in 2021. Saudi Arabia chaired the G20 Foreign Ministers Extraordinary Meeting. President Ram Nath Kovind inaugurated the Conference of Governors on Role of National Education Policy 2020 in Transforming Higher Education. Bhutan hosted the 35th edition of FAO ARPC. 73rd session of WHO Southeast Asia region CRO concluded. So it was of 73rd session, I remind you. India will host the meeting of the Councils of Government, Heads of Government CHG of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO on 29th November 2020 in New Delhi. G20's Finance and Health Ministers virtual meeting held. 10th virtual meeting of BRICS NSA held. Virtual meeting of IBSA foreign ministers concluded. 4th Global Ayurveda virtual summit held. The Environment Ministerial meeting EMM of the G20 countries concluded. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Denmark's Prime Minister Mette Frederiksen held a virtual bilateral summit. So this was in the short pointers. So if you want to go with the details of this videos, you can join me the live session via video conferencing. So those who want to join the live video conferencing lecture, they can call on this number 9987802676. Today we have gone with the short pointers, but in detail we will complete in the live lecture. All right. So thank you very much. If you have forgotten to subscribe the channel, subscribe it right now. Hit the bell button, and you can make a complete notes of this video which we are uploading, and you will get more updates. So this is Ravi Ranjan here, signing off. Thank you.
Every single day